Namaskar friends, welcome to Presha Yoga and I am Presha. Today we will be learning Uttanasana, standing forward fold. We are going to be using 2 yoga blocks to practice and learn the pose. Roll out your mat and let's get started. So for this pose, we are going to start in Tadasana. Let's begin by using our blocks. Place your blocks on the highest level like this, shoulder width apart, and stand with your feet hip width apart on the mat, tall, and lengthen through your back body. Relax your shoulders. Good. I'm just going to come slightly to the center so that you can see me better. Now from here, I want you to place your hands on your waist as you stand tall. Relax your shoulders again. Lift your chest up. Take an inhale here. With an exhale, I want you to now hinge forward through your hips. So instead of rounding the spine and the lower back and going down like this is something that you don't want to do. You want to hinge. You want to lengthen. Inhale, exhale, hinge. While you start to hinge, bend your knees as much as you want to, and then place your hands on the blocks. While you reach down, relax your head and your neck. Good. Take a breath in through the nose and a soft exhale. Slowly place your hands back on the waist, and with an inhale, pressing your heels down, lift up with your chest and your upper body. Perfect. Arms to the sides. Now let's practice this with arms reaching up. So standing tall again in Tadasana. Inhale, reach and extend your arms all the way up. Grow tall with lifting your chest and reaching your ring fingers up to the ceiling. With an exhale, remember what I told you, you're going to hinge forward. Instead of doing this and rounding, you're going to avoid that and hinge from your hips. Bend your knees as much as you want to. Bring your hands on the blocks. And once you reach here down, you're going to relax your head and your neck. Take a full cycle of breath here. Inhale through the nose. And a nice exhale. With the next inhale, we are going to press the heels and the feet into the mat while we reach arms up and stand tall. Lift your arms. Beautiful. Hands to your heart center with an exhale and arms to the sides. One more time, let's do that with the blocks, okay? Inhale, arms reaching up. Exhale, hinge forward, bend your knees, hands to the blocks and fold. Let's now stay here for 3 breaths. Keep your head and neck relaxed for 3. 2. 1. Inhale, driving and lifting your arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center and arms to the sides. Now let's practice this without the blocks. Blocks to the side, back to standing in Tadasana with the feet hip width apart, standing tall. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hinge forward, bend your knees and reach with your fingers down on the mat. Keep your fingertips down, then relax your head and your neck. Take 2 cycles of breath here. One more. Beautiful. Inhale, sweep your arms up, standing tall again. Exhale, hands to heart center and arms to the sides. We're going to do that one more time. So this pose, Uttanasana, when it's traditionally done, it's done in a way that your legs are in extension. That means the legs are straight and you're hinging forward and you're coming into a forward fold. Now this can be a very big stretch for your hamstrings, and we don't want to get into the pose right away with practicing with legs in extension. So please, when you're on that journey of practicing the pose, bend your knees as much as you want to. Let's do that one more time, okay? Inhale, arms reaching up while in Tadasana. Upward salute for now. Then exhale, hinging forward, bend your knees and fingers reach to the floor and relax your head and your neck. Let's take 3 big cycles of breath in and out through the nose. Inhale and then exhale. Keeping your knees bent as much as you want to with an inhale, standing tall while you reach your arms up and you press your feet down. And exhale, hands to heart center and arms to the side. This was standing forward fold. Standing forward fold might just seem like a very easy pose, but it is one of the main poses and foundation poses that are used often in yoga classes, and you would see people using them in sun salutation as well. So if you are feeling that this pose is difficult to understand, or you've gone to a class and you've not been able to really understand that how you're going into a forward fold, then you can go back to this video and learn it. And I would highly recommend for you to use the yoga blocks while you're trying to learn the pose. If you don't have yoga blocks, you can also place a chair in front of your mat, and when you reach your arms up with an exhale, when you hinge forward, you can put your hands on that chair and fold forward. So the same thing as you were doing with the blocks. Hoping you get to understand the pose better. I'm going to see you again in another video soon, friends. Be well. Om Shanti.